Hello, today I want to explain you about the PHAB. PHAB is the Portable Hanging Acoustic Booth, and this is a vocal booth, and this is a new product that we made to replace the full walk-in hanging acoustic vocal booth. It will come to you with the booth itself, and then you will see two separate rods and a carry bag. So the first thing is why these rods are for. If you open up the booth, you will see three lines that already have the rods in. They support rods. And then you will see this cross straps going like that. And one end of this cross straps, you will see a little hole. It's just a little opening. And you just insert the rod in there and push it in and tuck it inside, and that's going to create that cross section and make the whole booth rigid. The same is on the other end. You find the opening and insert it in. When you put the rod inside, just push it against the top, against the strap itself, so it doesn't rip and doesn't dig in the blanket. Just do it and slide gently until it completely inside, and that creates this complete support on all sides, and you know, the booth does not collapse on you, on your microphone. Now, if you also see, there is a strap and there is another strap, and connected to the booth itself is D-ring. These are the support strap to suspend the booth off some vertical support. It could be your rod in the closet for voiceover who is still closeted, and that's how you open up, and the booth is inside, and you walk in and you close it. Now, it can be, if you want to change direction of how the booth hangs, you just open one side, open the other side from the D-ring, and align it this way. Now, when you put the D-ring in, what you do, you take the strap and put it through both of them at the same time, like that. Then separate the D-rings, fold the strap back, and go over the first one into the second one, like that, and then pull it. So when you hang the strap, it just locks in tight. And the same thing on this side, the same way, you put through both of them at the same time, fold back on itself, go over the first D-ring, under the second, and pull in tight, and that's it. Now, that system of D-rings allows you to adjust the strap, make it shorter, or you can relax it a little bit and make it longer, so you can adjust the height of your booth as well. And in this position, let's say if it is in the closet and you use the close bar, just put it like that, and it can be suspended, you know, off the bar. Now, I want to give you a little tip, because if you simply do it like this, the booth can be tilted easily. You see, it just goes that. So when you put the booth over the bar, the strap, so first go over and make a loop around the strap like this, around the bar, around the crossbar. So again, go over, loop it around the crossbar like that, and then connect to the D-rings. So basically it is in the closet, so then you would have to do it inside the on the actual bar in the closet. And the same thing over here. Do it, loop it around it, and then put it in. So when you have that looped connection, then it becomes much, you see, it doesn't shift much. You can still adjust it if you intentionally pull it or push the straps, but it doesn't tilt by itself. It becomes very nice and sturdy connection. If you saw how it was wobbly before, it's not like that anymore. So this is, let's say this is your closet, this is where you hang your clothes, and you face it outside, then you open up and walk in, and that's how it's designed to work. So once you hang the booth, you open this up, and this is where you would go. The microphone would go inside there, and there is a slot. So you would open that slot, and the microphone goes in there, and you fix the slot around it. Okay. So this is one way of putting it on the straight bar, on two support points. It's nice. It's probably preferred connection. But sometimes, if you want to just hang it off the ceiling somewhere in the bedroom or anywhere, then you just need to do the crisscross of those straps. You separate one part from the rings, separate the other one, and you just loop it diagonally. The same straps, D-rings, like that. And this is your diagonal, this is your central point. You can just use the hook or whichever other thing you have, and you can hang it up like this. That's it. So the same thing, you can open up, you can close it, and that's, you know, depends where you hang it on. You can adjust it a little bit, but basically this is one point suspension of the booth.